Hi, I'm Polina, your e-commerce queen, with another winning game plan. And today I've got a number of winning products that can bring you up to $7,000 in pure profit, all from just a few monthly sales. These are seasonal bestsellers that shoppers are already searching for and buying in September. I'm not here to waste your time, just smart, data-backed products that actually move so you can make money when others slow down. Let's dive in. September marks the start of fall nesting, fitness goals, and gift planning, and these products meet the moment. Compartment Lunchbox, a trending add-on to backpacks. Lightweight, colorful, and reusable. Parents love it. Slim margins but high volume. Typical sellers see 20 to 30 units per month. Wireless earbuds with ANC. Premium tech meets student appeal. High-end specs means higher perceived value. Many dropship stores get 5 to 8 sales per month just from back-to-school shoppers. Wooden desk organizer with monitor. Riser functional and stylish. Perfect bundle item. Remote students and high-flex workers buy it. Mid-level upsell. Many sellers see 8 to 12 monthly sales. Ergonomic leather office chair. Premium look attract office makeover buyers. Sellers average 2 to 3 sales per month in full, especially with home office content. Sell just 3 chairs and you're got $500 in profit. Women's denim jacket. Light jackets are first fall wardrobe purchase. Stable piece works with any outfit. Sellers often convert about 5-6 monthly sales. Women's zip-up sport jacket. Trend seasonal. Active wear, favorite in September. Perfect for pre-fall joggers and yoga fans. Offers steady volume. Many stores sell 6 to 8 units per month. Knit throw blanket. Seasonal home decor pick, ideal for nesting customers. Sellers report 4 to 6 units per month early in fall. Gorgeous visuals lead to a higher impulse buy rate. That's how you turn just 5 sales into $600. Flameless LED candle set. Early autumn shoppers love safe indoor ambience alternatives. Mood lighting drives emotional purchase behavior. Steady sales 7 to 10 per month. 4K portable home projector. Premium tech for full staycations and movie nights. Often 2 to 4 sales per month from media-focused stores. Big screen experience means easy upsell. Just 5 orders brings in $600 in profit. Orthopedic foldable dog bed. Massive months one profit on pet lovers. Comfort-focused buyers love the dual-purpose size. Sellers often convert 2 to 3 sales per month and love upsell bundles. Heavy-duty leg stretcher. Fitness and flexibility tools prosper in new workout resolutions. Ideal for gym-to-home workout transitions. Sellers see 4 to 6 sales per month. Whole house humidifier. Pre-winter essential for health-conscious shoppers. Typical dropship stores see 2 to 3 monthly orders. Excellent for upsells, wellness bundles. Touchscreen gloves. Low-ticket impulse item for fall shoppers. High volume, 20 to 30 units per month from promo accessories bundles. This easy add-ons provides effortless volume enhancement. Men's vintage hooded jacket. First cold weather fashion peak. Many shops sells 5 to 7 jackets per month. Great crossover between fashion and function. Luxury wool plaid scarf. Full fashion staple with high margins. Gifting friendly, ideal for early holiday shoppers. Sellers report solid conversions, 4 to 6 units per month. Halloween Ghost Incense Burner. Early seasonal demand is already picked up. Easy impulse buy with themed visuals. A great micro item for Halloween bundles. Early bird stores often move 10 to 12 per month. If you add all of these proven seasonal products to your catalog and each one sells just 3 times a month, your total monthly profit would land at approximately $7,000. That's right, 7K plus in profit without product testing and without needing to guess what will sell. These items are already trending, backed by seasonal demand, and optimized for drop shipping success. Not bad for seasonal update, right? Ready to start? You don't need to manually import this product one by one. Just head to the Sellvia dashboard, pick the packs, and our team handles the upload for you. Every product is market tested, seasonally relevant, and ready to convert. Links are below this video. Grab a pack, activate your campaign tools, and make September the best month yet. I'm Polina, and I'll see you inside your dashboard. You've got the products, you've got the tools. Now go sell like pro. Bye.